DJH Prestige Sports. We've just got this lovely high-spec Kia Sorento. It's the all-wheel drive 7-seater, high-spec. Got front park distance control, alloy wheels, some lovely grey metallic side steps, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, tow bar that can stay on or come off. I've left it on because we know how much they are. They're quite expensive these days to put on tow bars are, but as you can see, bodywork is in really good condition. Panoramic tilt slide sunroof. Seven seats. Got a bit of parcel shelf there as well. It's so easy to do these as well. You just pull it like that. Folds down. Gives you lots more space if you want, if you have the 7 seats. Full leather interior. The blinds for the windows as well. Heated rear seats. The blinds also for the panoramic roof. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Electric memory seats, as you can see. It really is high spec, this one. It's just on 101,213 miles. Got satellite navigation, camera. Can't see because the panoramic roof's open, but it's all there. Aircon is blowing beautifully cold. Heated and cooled seats. Christ, yeah, heated and cooled seats. Media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, park assist, centre armrest, cruise control, diff lock as well. It's got everything. This car is absolutely spot on. At DJH, provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.